told the lady at the taquito place that we were doing. I want to say, hey, can I get the 3-piece combo? We're moving tomorrow. And she said, okay. What meats would you like? I was like, well, we got to finish counting. And then I get the uniform picking up tomorrow. She's like, what meats do you want in your taquito?
Conversations about super depressing.
You want to know what old people at the doctor's office want to talk about? Nothing. Nothing that I want to hear about. It's all a bunch of bummer ass. Like, you want to hear about my anal lesions? No, I don't. Fuck.
He talked about like a fatal car crash, and like some girl died, and I was like, wow. Like, you're complaining about people not talking, and yet you wanted to talk about dying in the car crash.
So anyway, that's when my kids stopped talking to me. Like,
I'm not here to trauma bond with nobody. I'm here to kill myself.
you want to get fucking heavy? You want to talk about some shit that's gonna make you uncomfortable? We can go there. We can do that.
I have more
Who did you
trauma
vote
than
for?
you. My autism is going to love unsorting all that.
All right.
Great. Kathy gets to fucking put that all back together then, because it's not gonna
Cathy's hyper focused.
volunteer to do the job that nobody wanted to do. You sure not done said nothing about being autistic.
Hey, are we gonna be doing anything new at the new shop? Like, what's gonna be different?
What? What are you talking about? What? What? Anything new?
Yeah, what's gonna be different about this new location?
We're gonna have an actual storefront that says Gromit Photograph on it.
That's pretty cool.
Hey, Alan, now that we have a storefront, is there going to be a changing room where people can find and like try on all of our cloaks and tunics and stuff?
No.
Dang it.
That's a good idea.
How's it going, Cathy? Quick interview. What's the square root of 709 and wait.
Good one.
I'm dyslexic. I'm listening to Poisoning Pigeons in the Park.
There's one thing that makes spring complete for me, and makes every Sunday a treat for me. All the world seems in tune on a spring afternoon when we're poisoning pigeons in the park. The sun's shining bright, everything seems alright when we're poisoning pigeons in the park. La la, la 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 doo.
Hi, friend. Cathy, what are you doing over here?
What am I doing today?
What are you doing?
I'm separating all the straps that we got a lot of. Some of them are really, really bad, and some of them are really good. The bad ones go in the trash. Because they're trash.
Trash. Our CEO bought us pizza.
Your Christmas bonus. I got mushrooms, I got pepperonis, I got mushrooms, bacon, and salami.
Oh, okay.
And pizza buns.
I was this close to ordering food, and I was like,
It's like, Hayley's about to be a different fucking person.
I did not say that.
but were you wrong? Fictionally? No.
No.
Fictionally not. No.
Like, I was over there, Hayley said things to me that I don't know if I'll be able to forget before. Man, that safe is heavy as fuck.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it's
I was
supposed to
gonna
be.
break the belly.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you moved it on your own.
Yeah, I'm fucking really macho, so.
You moved it on your own?
Did.
You sure did.
I'm very strong and mighty.
What's a flocker?
It's the type of whip that you use to excite
Is it like with the danglies on it?
Yeah, like a cat of nine tails, except instead of they used to weave like pieces of like barb and broken glass and stuff into those, so that when it hits you, it's fucked you up. But now they make them soft, so like it hits you and it makes you want them want you to fuck it.
I see.
Different,
Well, different.
different sensations.
Have you ever made the one with the wire and the glass?
I've never done that.
Your arteries. Your arteries.
Need some pizza bones. Carry some more heavy shit and work that
Work it
clog
right
out.
out. Work it right out.
That's how it works, right?
Yeah, you grease your arteries. That's
Yeah, just-
gotta make it smooth for the red blood cells.
And it's probably very unflattering and very gross to watch.
yeah, but delicious, worth it. But yeah, you do like that thing where like you've got a clog, so you just like
Yeah, that was a good
run
idea.
some
I
wind
did that
sprints
for
back and forth, and then it's like you hear like a funk, and it just pops it right out. That's what my doctor told me.
So the grease is actually good for doing manual labor.
Well, the manual labor is good for doing grease.
Okay.
Pet. Bugs. The roly polies. Yay.